Magnets make everyday tasks easier, safer, and more convenient. In this Magnets in Your Home video series, we will look at many helpful products you can use in different areas of your home. This trip around the magnetic house starts out in the kitchen, where you will see that magnets aren't just for the fridge anymore. Magnets can hold, hang, mount, and display most anything. Store utensils and knives neatly and within easy reach. Hold recipes or notes hands-free, right where you need them. Hang anything from rags to pots, pans, and more. The versatility of today's magnets and magnetic devices will surprise you. Latch magnets secure your cabinets, doors, and drawers that just won't stay closed. Try our Neodymium Cabinet Latch Kits that come with all you need to fix your doors. Neodymium Latches also feature the extra strong pull of rare earth magnets. Keep your kitchen utensils and knives up and out of the way to maximize your counter and drawer space. Mount them to the wall or attach them magnetically to any ferrous metal surface. Hang your kitchen tools in the most convenient spot, lightweight or heavy duty. Pick the hook that works best for you. We've got extra strong hooks to hold heavier items too. In fact, we have hooks that will hold up to 175 pounds when utilized correctly. Our grade 42 neodymium hooks are fantastic for your heaviest loads. The handy holder holds paper towel rolls, tissue, and plastic glove boxes, foil boxes, and more. The 4-in-1 holding arm is your extra hand wherever you need it. Use it to hold your recipes, phones, lights, and tools while you work. Pop and Catch is a fun way to open your bottles and collect the caps. It's no mess, no fuss, and easy to use with one hand. Label and organize your food storage area. Use our magnetic clips in many ways. Bulletin bars turn any space into a magnetic display and posting space. Change it up as often as you wish. Use these attractive magnets for posting photos and refrigerator art, shopping lists and coupons, keys, and more. Get a better grip with knob magnets. These are bigger magnets with stronger pull for use with heavier items. Finally, photo pockets provide a fun way to display and protect photos and refrigerator masterpieces. Buy online now at magnetsource.com. Our convenient website makes purchasing easy. Find everything you need on the collections page. While you are there, check out the other fantastic products for your home, shop, school, and office. Buy online now at magnetsource.com.